In my haste, I of course forgot to check the size of this, and it's only 15 liters. Luke, I am a nomad's projects. I'm not happy with the suction I'm getting from this system. I don't know the reason why. Maybe it's too much stuff inside the bucket now. Maybe the shape is wrong. Maybe there's too steep an angle on the 90-degree turn here. I'm going to try to cut that off and see if I can get better suction. But all in all, the system is not performing the way I need it to, and since there is basically no ventilation in my workshop, I desperately need to handle the dust situation. This was the first version. It broke. The vacuum cleaner actually just ripped the bucket totally apart. It was then inside of this one, so it caught me a bit by surprise actually. So I decided basically I needed to handle the situation, so I bought this one, which is an ash separator, and it basically works the same way, but this is a metal bucket. So I would like to see how this works. Let's check it out. Important safety notice: when changing the dust bag on your vacuum cleaner, always make sure that the cable is unplugged. Oh, we're doing this again, yeah? Ooh. Like my shop isn't dusty enough already. Okay. So let's see how this performs. That is a lot better. Yep, we got a winner. I don't know if you can see it, but this bucket also has a HEPA filter. It seems to work really well. So now we have dust extraction handled. That means I can actually do some basic dust collection in my workshop, which is really important as there is absolutely no ventilation in there. For the future I need something more permanent. I need maybe some bigger pipes and blast gates and the whole thingamabob. But that is in the future. There are more important projects for now. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or tips on how I can make this better, please post them in the comments below. Subscribe if you want more of these videos. Leave a like if you liked the video. Leave a thumbs down if you didn't. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more of this. Slots into my table saw just fine. Ooh, advanced camera gear.